Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us crewmate dabbing. We're going to give him some arms for this one because otherwise he wouldn't really be able to dab. It's gonna look, it won't look right with those like invisible hands they have, you know what I'm talking about? Like the glove hands. So we're just going to draw some arms on him. It'll be cool, right? So easy stuff. Let's get started. I'm going to pull over here. Curve over here. That's going to be the front of the visor that you can barely see. You'll barely be able to see the top of it. Over here at the top, down right here. That's what you can see. That's the visible part of the visor. All right, the crewmate's visor. Gonna go over here and draw his arm in the way. Line like so. Curve down here. Curve underneath, and we're just gonna wrap it around here. It's almost gonna look like it's a double visor for a minute. Okay, gonna pull underneath here, curve down there, up over here, top of the head here, curve back, got the real top of the head there. See, this is kind of trippy all of a sudden, right? It'll make more sense in color, which we will color it, okay? Pulling down. Back of the head there. And now we're going to have his other arm doing that dabbing motion, okay? So we're going to pull out over here. Curve. Pulling in. He's got these teddy bear appendages, right? Going over here, curve. That's going to be the reflection in the glass, but it's kind of hidden behind there. And I'm going to draw a little circle right here for the top. Right on. Pull down a bit, because now you're going to see the front of his torso finally. Pulling down. Out over here, down here. So let's get this bent leg. Curve. Up over here. Go over here back. Pull down for the back right there, kind of the back of the body. He's gonna have his leg kind of stiff outward over here on this side. Don't forget, if you like this stuff, hit the like button. Likes are what power the channel, basically. So if you like another video, hit that like over there. You know, after you watch the video, of course, or at least partway through the video. But hitting that like button, like I said, powers the channel. Down over here. And outward over here, putting that leg down. Curve. Out over here. Right on. So now you got that crewmate dabbing. We still need his backpack, and it's going to be behind the arm over here. So it's going to come over here, kind of yay level, out, down. And then I'm going to follow it down here, right? I'm going to be like, okay. Over here. Cool. Let's put some color onto this guy. I'm gonna grab kind of a lighter color. I'm gonna grab this orange. I'm gonna try to grab colors that aren't often used. This is a Prismacolor marker, by the way. I do recommend these. I'll put the link in the description if you want to buy them on Amazon. Highly, highly, highly recommended. They do smell though. That's the bad part, and I don't like that. They have this like gross smell to it. But usually I like coloring the crewmates. If you're gonna use marker, I like using the lighter markers because when, let's just say a marker looks like, I don't know, let me look. Let me pick one out here. So let's say you're using Crayola and you're using this orange. Wait, is this orange? I don't know what this is. I think this is like just red. But if you, let's just say you use something like that, right? Okay, let me get a better example. Here's a blue, right? If I put that down, it's not gonna look quite like that blue, okay? It's gonna look darker than this blue. These guys always look darker. I guess they dry out. They're supposed to dry lighter, but in my opinion, they always dry darker. And so that's why I like picking lighter markers. So if you're gonna pick, that's so funny, I can hear the dog out in the other room. If you're gonna pick, dog's okay. If you're gonna pick a color, like, to make it, you really want to make it a little bit lighter than you think. If you're gonna buy Crayolas, for example, like at Target, because they're very inexpensive, like markers, I would buy the lighter versions. There are actually lighter versions, and some of those are still too dark. So yeah, just kind of something to know if you're gonna use marker. I love using crayon as well, and I love using colored pencil is my favorite. It's just it takes too long on camera. And colored pencil, fun fact, is probably one of the only things that really will cause you to get carpal tunnel if you use them too much, because carpal tunnel syndrome, which I know a lot of people hear about, is basically when you tighten up too much and then you're pushing down, grinding, and it kind of just it's hard on your hand over time, and that usually happens with colored pencil because you're trying to get like an effect. Anyways, that was a fun fact. Hit the subscribe button, by the way, if you like that. I'm gonna actually use this marker for the reflectivity part in the area here and over here. It's kind of that reflective surface portion. That's it. That is a crewmate dabbing. I hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, if you did, hit me up. Join the party, the arty party, right? Join it. I'm joking. But yeah. Hit that subscribe, and what's going to happen is when you subscribe and click that bell notification, it's going to show up on your feed, right? When a picture or a tutorial comes up, it's going to show up on your feed. It's just like a gingerbread man. It's funny. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you next time. Stick around for the announcement. I'm going to talk about my full courses. See you later. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.